On Wednesday, Sydney saw some spectacular-looking clouds, Mammatus clouds. Why did we see these? Well, in the Blue Mountains, at the same time, we were seeing intense hailstorms. What does this have to do with that? Well, hailstorms form in thunderstorms, right? It's one of the consequences of having severe storms at times. You get these large hailstorms, and that formed in the Blue Mountains. And then the anvil cloud of that storm then moved across the Sydney Basin and formed these spectacular-looking Mammatus clouds. So let's recap how storm clouds form, right? So storms are formed by rising air in the atmosphere. As the air rises, it cools down and forms those large, towering thunderstorm anvils that you see. The anvil cloud, the top of the storm cloud, then forms, and that can be blown several kilometers ahead of the main thunderstorm. And as that anvil cloud forms, it can sometimes cool down. Now, if that cools down, it can start to form Mammatus clouds. It's sinking air. Mammatus clouds are interesting because they're actually formed from the top down. Usually clouds are formed from the base up, and it's usually associated with turbulence in the atmosphere. So this is the clouds that we saw right across the Sydney Basin on Wednesday. It was actually the top of a thunderstorm cloud in the Blue Mountains.